camera is now ready to begin pairing. The camera is now ready to begin pairing. The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Enter your location or family name.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Enter a new address or press enter to use your default address. Power on your camera and check that the blue indicator
The
LED
camera
is
is
blinking.
now ready to begin pairing.
Enter the camera name and address. Using default name and address, enter the Wi-Fi password. Please do not connect with the 5G. Use your camera to scan the QR code. Maintain a distance of about 4 inches until you hear the
Information
confirmation.
received.
Camera installed successfully. Fully charge the camera.